All right, so we're out maidening our HSDJETS 0 today. We have beautiful conditions and dead calm. I don't know that anything could be any better. Let's get out there and see how she does. All right, we're ready to take to the sky. I gotta be honest, I'm a little nervous. It's a beautiful plane. I hope this flight goes well. What was that? All right, we tweaked our dual rates on our rudder just a little bit, give us a little more stability running down the runway. Let's see how this goes.
So beginner plane? No?
No, not a beginner plane. Definitely not. Oh, I like that expo in there. That's helping.
Oh!
Yeah, that's all I have to say about that.
Let's go see how she looks.
All right, well, let's take a look at the carnage. Ooh, right off the bat, I can see there's two landing gears, but one's on the wrong side of the plane. Let's take a closer look. Actually, wow, at a glance, there's almost no damage. All of our surfaces look okay.
Look how cleanly the gear popped out.
That's a glue joint fail.
That's actually really nice.
Yeah. Looks like we do have a bend right here. Yeah. And of course our prop has seen better days.
So is our spinner.
This is a dirt cheap repair. Looks like we created some ventilation for our pilot.
The pilot's a vapor and you needed a way for the vape to get out.
No, actually, go ahead and give me a fill frame here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got some scuffs, but that's not bad.
Yeah.
All right.
So that looked like a pretty violent crash. I'm really amazed. This thing's in great shape. Honestly, with a new prop and spinner and a little bit of CA to glue that gear back in, she's back in the air. Definitely squirrely. Boy, it was unpredictable in a way that was kind of weird. I'd trim it in, we'd get a little bit more rotation off that prop as I throttle up. She'd want to bank off to one side, just a little bit unwieldy. But overall, she flew beautifully. I think we do a couple little band-aids here, throw her back up in the air. So look for the remaiden of this plane soon, so that we can finish out seeing how she flies. So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers. It's so true.
All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time,
Keep flying!
We have beautiful conditions and it's dead calm. I don't know that anything could be any better. Let's get out there and see how she does.
There's no wind whatsoever.
If it crashes, it's my fault.